All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 14 of our December daily math. Now that Taco ate the garbage and ate human food, then he's being outside, he's outside for a while where it's cold, and now he's taking a nap. So he's getting tired. Taco naps from 2:15 to 3:30. How long was Taco's nap? So let's get it to 2:15 to start, okay? So here we go. There's 2:15, all right, and 3:30. So let's go 1 full hour. So here's 60 minutes or 1 full hour right there. So we went from 2:15 to 3:15. So that's 1 hour, okay? Now if we do another full hour, it's going to be 4:15. So we can't do that. So it's going to be 1 hour. And then how many more minutes yet? So we're at 15. We need to get down here to where it says 30. So we count 5, 10, 15. And now it is 3:30. So 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay? All right. Name one thing in your classroom that is shaped like a cube. Well, I'm looking around, and I think about the easiest thing for us to picture as a cube. And, you guys probably have other things in mind. I'm thinking of, wow, that right there, dice. Okay? Dice are cubes, right? It's a pretty little cube. So here we go, dice. What's it? Oh, there's a 6. All right. Dice are great cubes. You may come up with something else, though. Maybe you have, what about, the little box of Kleenex, right? They're kind of like cube-like. I got one with our base 10 blocks, right? The big, giant 1000. That's a giant cube. Our Unifix cubes. Another cube-shaped kind of thing, right? All kinds of great examples for cubes. Okay. How many sides are there on 4 pentagons? Draw a picture, write an equation. So first, how many sides are on a pentagon? 5, right? A pentagon has 5 sides. So let's go. Okay, almost like a gingerbread house in a way. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now how many sides are there on those 4 pentagons? Well, this one has 5, and this one has 5, this one has 5, and this one has 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. How many sides? 20 sides. We can also count each individual one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you go, 20 sides. Again with that, how many? Magic words. Ryan wants to buy 12 fish. How much money will he need? He wants 12 fish. Well, there's 3 fish is 50 cents. So you got 3 for 50 cents. Okay. 3 more would be 6. And now that would be $1. Or 100 cents, right? So $1. 9, because that's 3 more, would be $1.50. Okay. And 3 more is 12. And that equals $2. So how much money? $2. Okay. And here we are. Split this rectangle into thirds, then shade one of the pieces. What fraction? Fractions? Are you kidding me? What fraction did you shade? So let's go. There we go. We have 3 equal pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm pretty close. They're almost the same size, right? We'll just pretend they are. So we have 3 equal pieces. That's thirds. Okay, and then it says, then shade one of the pieces. Okay, well, let's just kind of go like this. Okay, there I shaded one piece. What fraction did you shade? So what we're going to do is I'm going to shade 1, okay, because I shaded 1. And then we're going to make our fraction with just a line in the middle, right? And then how many equal pieces? Well, we split it into thirds. So 1, 2, 3 equal pieces. So again, this is a tough one. 1, that line I like to think of as out of, is one name for that line. Okay, so 1 out of 3 equal pieces. We'll get more into that later, but we shaded 1 of the 3 equal pieces, so it's 1/3. All right, great job with that today, boys and girls, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 15.